Shalom everyone! It's me, Kuya Chito, and welcome to my hub. Taglamig na naman at napaka-perfect na tayo ay maghanda at mag-prepare ng pagkain perpekto sa taglamig, sa panahon ng taglamig. Kaya naman sa araw na ito, magluluto ako or magpiprepare ako, magluluto ako ng napaka-famous na Filipino soup. At very basic lang ito, napakadali. And it's called Chicken Sotanghon soup or rice vermicelli soup. Ora. What are our basic ingredients? Nako, ito lang, very basic. Of course, sotanghon. 100 grams. Ito 250. So I'll just cut it into almost half. 100 grams. I will use 100 grams. And 250 grams of chicken breast. And of course, very basic naman talaga. Vegetables, I just bought it from the market. So here are the basic ingredients of our chicken sotanghon soup. First is the chicken, or the 300 grams of chicken. Chopped ginger, finely chopped ginger. Fish sauce or patis. Onions, salt and pepper, chicken powder, and the sotanghon or the bean or rice vermicelli soaked in water. The vegetables is the carrots and cabbage, then sprout and spring onion. Hope I did not forget any ingredients. So let's start cooking. Are you ready? Okay, let's start cooking. So now let's start cooking. First, we have to put on the fire, to set on the fire to high heat. Put on 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then put on the onion, finely chopped onion, and then the ginger and the chicken breast all together. Yeah. Okay. Alam niyo, cooking sotanghon is so easy. Just like a blink of an eye. Parang pwede mong gawin ito ng ikaw ay natutulog. Ano ba yun? Yan. When it's ready, put on the powder. So easy. So simple. And just add water. Alam nyo, Napakasimple lang talaga nito. Walang ka-stress at napakadaling i-prepare ng ating soup na ito. And it's good during winter time, and if you don't really have time to prepare, you can prepare it for at least 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be ready, and you will have your soup in time. Cover. So it's already boiling. We can add the salt and pepper and the fish sauce. Okay. And of course the Sotanghon. The rice burns. Again for another. So habang hinihintay ko na kumulo yung aking niluluto, I will prepare na yung bowl para i-pour yung ating soup. At ito naman ating kasing mga vegetables are ready to eat. Kaya no need to put them together. Saka mo na lang siya ilagay kapag kakain ka na. Alright? Ready lang natin to put them all together. The carrots, the cabbage, the bean sprout, and the spring onion, and it will be ready while we are waiting for the soup to be cooked. Okay, so now standby ka muna dyan na. So now it's ready. Pour in the soup. Yeah. Alright, ready na ang ating soup. Look! Yes! 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 Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye! And see you next time. Enjoy!